Hi, Keith here again. I want to shoot this quick video tutorial. I've had a few of our team members reach out to me to find out exactly how they would access their member area for Collect Direct. So I'm going to shoot this video to show you exactly what you need to do. Uh, I'm including a link directly below in this email. And it says, I actually had it in one of the other emails too, but it says collectdirect.com/earlybird. So that is the link. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see that. That is the link that you're going to click on. When you click on that link, it'll take you to this page. And when you get to this page, you want to enter the same email address that you used when you submitted your free registration. So you submit that email there. The system is going to recognize it because it should already be in there. And then, of course, you select your country and then you click continue. And once you do that, you're going to go to the next page. I won't do it because I've already done it. You're going to go to the next page where even though you've selected or you submitted a username or a preferred username initially, you can either put that username in again, or if you want to change it, you can put another one in. The most important thing it's going to recognize is your email address. And so once you do that, then it'll actually give you access to your back office. Now, the back office is very basic right now because remember, we're just in step one or stage one. Where the websites are being opened up for us, and you'll be able to do three things in your back office right now, and I'll show you. Back office is going to become much more robust as we go through the next three stages, and I'll explain those to you. And all three of those stages, all four stages, are scheduled to be completed by July 15th. So you're only talking about 2 weeks, but I'll explain to you. So let's do first thing first. You'll enter your email address, choose your country, then you go to the next page. You'll enter whatever username you want, whatever the information they ask you for, submit it, and then you'll have access to your back office. So once you get access to your back office, it'll look like this. And by the way, this will be the login link too. It'll be member.collectdirect.com. So you may want to jot that down. Member.collectdirect.com. That'll be your login for right now. And as you see, my email address is already there, my password. And so now I'm going to log into my back office. I've already done this before. And this is what it's going to show you. Your name will be up here. It'll show you your dual team viewer, which is your two team or your binary. Unilevel, if you've already started pre-enrolling members. And then the free enrollment, this is where you're going to find your link that you need. So let's go over here first and get this. So pre-enrollment, you click over here, left click, and it brings up a link. You notice my username is here. Whatever username you select will be here. And if you want to start sharing and pre-enrolling folks, this is the link you want to copy, put it in a notepad file, or just save it, bookmark it or something, because I'm actually going to show you how you can get a free page like mine that I'm using right now to pre-enroll, and where the pre-enrollment will be done for you. So just remember, come over here, you click here, copy the link, and just save it somewhere. So that's where you want to go. Now, Unilevel, since you probably haven't started pre-enrolling folks, but this is where you would find your Unilevel. Your two team, this is important for a couple of reasons. So what you want to do over here on the two team, it'll show you what you want to do is set up your placement settings. And of course, you can do right, left, or whatever you want to go. You can leave it on alternate, left or leg, left or right. Now, for some of you, your team leg or your power leg, if you will, is going to be your right leg. Some going to be your left. And the way that you can tell, unless you're the last person to come in, is that you're going to have people either on your right or your left team right now. If you only have people on your left team, then that'll be from spillover. Then your left team will be your power team. Your power leg. If you only have people on your right leg, then that's going to be your power leg. Now, what you want to do, and what Dale's teaching us, is to enroll your first 2 to 3 people on your power leg so that everybody starts to experience that, and then you can switch over and start doing your left leg or your opposite leg, if that makes sense. So anyway, you definitely want to do that. What else did I want to show you back here? Under your account, you click over here. That's where all your personal information, your phone number. If you need to correct any information, you would do that there. I'm not going to do that. If you need to submit a support ticket, then you would click under help, and then you see over here where I open a new ticket. You can open a new ticket right there. I'm not sure if they even have the FAQ set up yet. I didn't use that, but I had to use the ticket twice today because I had one member that was missing. We were able to find her, and I submitted it, and it's being corrected by the developers right now. And then I had one member who wasn't showing up in the two-team pay. That was a glitch in the system, but that was corrected immediately too by the developers, so they're on top of things. Okay, and then if you go back to home, see, now remember, this is just what you're seeing in phase 1. When we go into phase 2 next week, then of course you're going to have access to the packages and all of that. And then when we go to phase 3, you're going to be have access to more of that. There's going to be marketing materials, videos, all that back here too, between now and the 15th. But for those folks who want to get started in pre-building with the free enrollment right now, this is where you will find your link over here. So hopefully that makes sense. So take care. Now I'll be shooting another video and sending it out under a separate email that shows you how you can get a free page like mine. Let me show you how that page looks right now too, by the way. I think I showed you before, but I'll show you again. Okay, this is the page that I built. It's on a platform called Leads Leap. A lot of you are familiar with that already. Your page will look identical to this. The only thing that'll be different when they click on this link here, and I'll click on it and show you what happens. Okay, you see where my personal URL came up here. You see up here, instead of it just saying Early Bird, now it says Early Bird Katie France, so that's mine. And once again, you will have one just like that. And I'll show you how to put your link like this into that page too. But that's all it's going to do. So you'll get a page look like this. They can watch this video. By the way, Dale mentioned earlier tonight on the team call that over the next few days, he's going to be updating this video right here to coincide with where we are now in the rollout process. But this video here has actually helped me to pre-enroll several new members, and of course they were all networkers, and this is really targeted more towards networkers. Surprisingly, I had more members personally enrolled than what I even thought, so the video definitely works. And so if you want to use it, and that's all to this page. Once again, I'm going to send out another video along with a share code link that shows you how just to copy and paste that share code, and you'll have a page just like this to use. And the only thing that you're going to have to do in that page, as it says, is change the link that's embedded here for the free enrollment. And I'm going to walk you through that in a video. That's very, very easy to do too. Just copy, paste, and then save. Real easy. So hopefully that makes sense to you. If anybody has any questions, reach out to me directly. You can text me or call me. My mobile, once again, is 972-743-0024. You can reply to this email, or you can message me on Facebook, whichever way is more convenient for you. So look forward to helping each and every one of you get away from those 9-to-5s, or to build that retirement if you're currently working from home, to help you have where everything else you're doing, really, you're doing it because you want to, not because you have to. I really think that this thing has that much potential. So take care. Talk to you soon.